Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much. I very much appreciate you support my channel, and anybody who's new, please consider hitting that subscribe button, as I'm always looking to add new people as family members. So today we are going to do Javy Coffee. I'm actually in my living room because I want to know, well, number one, it's so sunny out that this is where I had to record. But I was like, you know what? This is going to show you how easy this is to make this coffee. So Javy Coffee Company reached out to me, and I'm just going to grab the bottle. Here's what it looks like. It says original coffee, Javy coffee concentrate, 30 servings, 6 full ounces. Now, what I like about this is that you can make this cold or hot. I also received this package in 2 to 3 days, which was nice. It's a US based company. So that was also a plus. Now, they did also give a code to any of my viewers who would like to try their coffee. It is a discount code. My name is Carmen, by the way, if you're new to my channel. Sorry for being rude and not introducing myself. So the code is Carmen 69039. Again, that is Carmen 69039. You receive 20% off your first order, and I'll also have a link down in the description box so you can hit that also. So let's go over the bottle. Again, it says original coffee, Javy, cold or hot, coffee concentrate, 30 servings, 6 ounces. I don't even remember if I said all that. I apologize. So, and then the back, it says, when you've got Javy, you got a little magic that helps you get a lot more done. I like that saying. So, and then it does say make hot or cold. Now, this, you do need to refrigerate it after opening this. And also, it does need to be used within 6 weeks of opening. So here's the packaging. I like this packaging for this coffee, but I'm always interested in the product. Like, what's the product like? So, nice packaging. Okay, now here's all you do. This is going to be the difficult part. I have a cup of coffee right here that I'm just going to kind of hold. All you do is take this. Now, one good thing about this is that there is a large opening on the front. So you're not trying really hard to squeeze this out. And I'm just going to pour some into this. And so you're not trying to get the coffee out, squeezed out. Now, it is 1 teaspoon per serving. So I have my teaspoon. Let's hope I don't spill any on my rug. Success. Okay. Here's my water. And we're just going to pour it in here. Now, I did decide to make this cold, and I'm going to stir this up as I'm talking, but there's what it looks like. I did decide to try this cold because my thought was, if I like it cold, I'll like it hot. Because usually, how many times do we make hot coffee, put it in a to-go cup, and then it turns cool to the taste? So I thought, well, if I like it cold, I'll like it hot. And I personally take a to-go mug of coffee pretty much a lot. We'll just put it that way, pretty much everywhere I go. So let's give it, it's got like a nice flavor on the spoon. I do have a tray over there, by the way. So here's what it looks like. Now, I probably added too much water for 1 teaspoon, but let's give this a try. It does have a really nice flavor. And I also like, it's a nice flavor. It's a nice, rich, smooth coffee flavor. I want to taste it one more time. Yeah, it's a really nice coffee. Rich. That's the best description right there. is rich and smooth coffee flavor. Now, one thing I totally love about this is it only took me, what, less than a minute to make it cold. So if you have those really busy mornings, you have kids that you're trying to get ready and get them off to school or to daycare, this package, this is so convenient to mix up. And if you're going to make it hot, all you have to do is put water in the microwave for what, 2 minutes, dump your teaspoon in, and you're ready to go. So I do like how convenient this is. Think about how much easier this makes life. And once you're holding the bottle, I'm like, this looks like a bigger bottle than 6 ounces, but look how easy this would be to store also. Because the expiration date is 1/3 of 24. So you could have this in your cupboard, not open, and it'd be a space saver, but yet you're still getting those 30, 35 servings per bottle. So I do like that. It does say on the front 30 servings, and then it does say over in the nutritional facts 35 servings per container, serving size 1 teaspoon, 5 calories, and 0 fat, sodium, carbs, protein. It's all 0. So huge game changer for a very busy person. Makes life very convenient. Now I am going to, I'm not sending it there. So I like to drink a little creamer in my coffee. So let's give this a little tester here. I'm not going to show the creamer brand that I use, but I do like the creamer in the coffee. So let's give it a try. Okay, I have that in there, as you can tell. It's darker up here. My creamer's down there. Let's just give this a little stir and see what it tastes like. That's got a really nice flavor. Like I still taste the coffee, but now I taste my creamer with the coffee. And my coffee, all I do is taste the creamer. So I really do like this, that I can taste both the coffee and the creamer. So this is a definite of 1 to 10. This is definitely a 10 for me. I'm going to put down my coffee cup, sorry. This is definitely a 10 for me. So here's the packaging again. They do sell it in other flavors. When I was on their website last time, they were having a sale. So and don't forget my discount code and the link, and you'll receive 20% off. I love a sale, especially a good sale. So go check them out while the sale lasts and give Javy a try if you're a big coffee lover like I am. So I really hope you all enjoyed this review, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. As always, have a great day. Until next time, Karma out.